Yo, what is good guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'll be giving you a full Cnfans tutorial, how to order, how to ship, how to declare. So if you have any questions about any of the process of ordering at Cnfans, I got you. If you're unaware of what Cnfans is, it's an agent from China where you can order products, if you know what I mean, products. But yeah, it's like Pandabuy, so it's the Pandabuy Alternative. So let's get right into it. So here I am on Cnfans, cnfans.com. But before you order something, you need an account. Luckily for you, Cnfans offers free shipping coupons if you sign up with someone's code. So in my link tree, you'll see Cnfans sign up and free coupons. Just click that. Just on this page, you're just going to enter your stuff, and then register. And just, you know, I'm not lying about this. On God, entering my code or entering Eddie right here, exchange, redeem. On God, it'll give you these codes. On God, I don't care. On God. I don't care, I'm not lying. So if you want some free shipping coupons, that's how. First off, and you made your account. So once you have made your account and got some free coupons, you're gonna need something to buy, of course. So if you go back to my link tree, I have a massive spreadsheet in there. If you go in here, there's tons of items. And every single haul I get, I'll be adding each thing from the haul onto here, and I'll give you like the line on screen. But so I got my link, I click search, I put it in there, I click search, and here I am on the shoe page. So this page, if you used Pandabuy before, it resembles Pandabuy very well, and you can just basically choose any shoe that you want. I've always wanted the midnight navy, so I'll choose that, and then choose your size. So I'm size 12, and then check and agree, and then add to cart or buy now. I'm just gonna click buy now. Confirm. It's going to ask you to enter your country if you haven't done that yet. So United States of America. This is your total just for the shoe. I read and agree, and then proceed to checkout. As you can see here, there's like 5 payment options: balance, debit card, 2 debit card things, Google Pay, Alipay, and Skrill. So I'll let you in on another secret. Cnfans actually lets you top up with PayPal, so you can top up your balance with PayPal. So I'll show you right here. Enter amount. Let's say I want to top up $5,000. That's a lot of money. But you can top it up with PayPal on here. So click pay for order. I will not be paying for this because I'll probably buy it later. I don't know if I actually want this shoe yet, but once you pay for it, it's going to say purchased, like one of these orders. These ones say seller sent, but once you purchase it, it's going to say purchased. So you can hover over the little exclamation point, and it'll tell you basically purchase means it's purchased from the seller, which then the next step after that is the seller ships it to the warehouse. So it'll say seller sent, and then after seller sent, it arrives at the warehouse, and you'll get your QC pictures of what you ordered. So I ordered this the other day. It's on the way to my house already. So this is the Playboy Cardi cat shirt. Pretty fire. I also got this. I don't know how it's gonna be. It was like $3. But yeah, basically this whole process will be, it's really from like 2 to 5 days, maybe like 6 or 7. Yeah, this process is like the second longest. It'll take a little bit, but once you've got your product and you're happy with your product, you can click warehouse. You'll see everything in your warehouse. So right now I just have a Lego. By the way, I recommend shipping as much things as possible into one haul because it'll save on the long run on shipping. Because like the more stuff in there, it's like a less continued way. It's hard to explain, but just trust me. It's gonna ask you to add your address. I don't know when it does that, but it'll ask you eventually. So this is the content of my haul. Just one thing. I can choose a packing detail. I recommend stretch membrane on every single haul you get. I don't care what you get this, because you don't know if your haul's going through a monsoon or a tsunami. Like, you don't know, so get some waterproof membrane. I also recommend corner guard, because like they be throwing your them handlers, they be like throwing your package like to get to where it needs to be. Like, I don't know. So here are all the shipping options. I recommend any EMS. Any EMS is very good. They're always reliable. And also any USA Air. Sometimes they be taking more than the expected time, but it's gonna arrive, so it doesn't really matter. So I would probably choose, I be balling on a budget, so I just choose the least one. I don't really care. Let me give you a warning though. Do not ship with SAL. 35 to 60 days. That's true. It literally will take a whole year. One of my hauls took 4 months to come, so do not ship with SAL. I try to be on a budget. Do not do it. So you select your shipping. So you might have clicked in this video if you're confused how to declare. Actually, it declares for you, so it's easy. Pandabuy never did that. I wish they did because it was kind of confusing. You can buy insurance. They never really need insurance because they always like just ship it and it arrives. So I don't really need insurance, but it's always good to buy insurance because you get some money back in case something does happen. From there on, you click submit parcel. Then you're gonna pay for your parcel. Then once again, pay for your parcel, whatever, pay for it. And then once you pay for it, it's gonna say parcel packing or like parcel something. So earlier I have a haul that's actually on the way. So this one says parcel packing, which is like I think the first step. This process until it gets shipped out is like a day or two. But once they give you your tracking number and it's actually shipped out overseas, that can take anywhere from like a week to 3 weeks. It really depends on where you live and what shipping line you chose. I've had hauls take 2 months. I've had hauls take less than a week. So from here on, basically the coast is clear. Like there's nothing else you need to do except monitor the tracking like every few days, every day if you want. And boom, that is how you order off of Cnfans, how you order, how you ship, how to declare. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps me. I'm trying to hit 2K. I'm at like 1.9 right now. So yeah, everything's appreciated. If you have any more questions or need any more help, you can join my Discord. There's about like 500 people in there and they answer like any of your questions. And you can also post like hauls there and QCs. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next one.